Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome again, and it's your buddy Technoboy back with another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a 12-volt battery using three of this 4-volt battery, because this comes very cheap. As you can see, it's a brand name Sanka 4-volt 1H cell lead acid battery, and you are gonna connect it three of it serially, and you'll get 12 volt and of course 1H. So let me show you that. This thing is already taped because it comes like a package of 12 or something like that and taped together. So if you get a single piece separately, then you're gonna tape three of it together. And so let me show you that. So first we're going to check the voltage. So you can see 4.2, and 4.2 and 4.2. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, as you can see, plus minus and plus minus, and you're gonna connect this minus to this one's plus and this one's minus to this one's plus. And for that I already have a piece of wire, this two. I'm not gonna solder it because I'm going to check it first, and later we'll do that. So we're going to connect this piece of wire to the terminals. Okay, let's do this. Alright, we're done here. Now we're going to check the voltage. As you can see, it's 12.7 volt, and it's perfectly working in series. So that's it, 12 volt and 1 ampere per hour. Alright, you can use this 12 volt battery and whatever you need, any 12 volt device need that requires less ampere battery, and that's it. So this is just for testing purpose, so I just tie the wire up to the terminals. But if you are going to use it for I mean, you're going to use it permanently for something, you need to solder the wires to the terminals properly. Alright, so I have connected this battery to this my old UPS, which the battery is gone. So I'm testing this battery with this UPS. As you can see, the red wire connected to the red terminal and the black wire connected to the black terminal, and it's a 12 volt 1H battery. Now we're gonna turn on the UPS and see if it works. Holy shit, it is working. And now I'm gonna connect the AC power cord. Okay, the light turned into green, and hopefully it's in charging mode now. So this works, but the problem is this 1H battery is gonna give you maybe a 2-minute backup, like that. Well, this was just a test, but you can use this battery for any other purpose, for other projects like that. This is a 12 volt battery using 4 volt battery, and it works perfectly fine. So hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.